Welcome to this walkthrough on how to migrate an existing website to WP Engine using the WP Engine Site Migration plugin. With this example, I'll use a website running on my local machine, but the process works the same for any WordPress website, no matter where it currently lives. If not already installed, step 1 is to install the plugin on your destination website. This is the WordPress environment that is hosted on WP Engine and is receiving the migration. Step 2 is to install the same plugin on your source website. That's the WordPress environment that is being copied over to WP Engine. Before we go to our source website, let's download the plugin from the user portal and copy this connection info to our clipboard. We'll need it shortly. Now, let's log into the WordPress admin on our source website so we can upload and activate the plugin there. With it active, we can see the site migration option in the admin menu. Click the Start a New Migration button and then paste the connection information we copied from the portal earlier. Once the connection is established, we can choose to migrate the complete website, which will include all database tables, all media files, theme files, plugin files, etc. Or we can customize the migration and be more selective on what we migrate. For now, let's simply migrate the full website. We can also optionally enter an email address to receive email notifications about the status of the migration. Now we can click the Start Migration button. As the migration runs, you can see what stage it's in and what is currently being processed. It's good to know that the database tables and files that are migrated over are initially stored in temporary locations until the finalized stage where everything is swapped out. This ensures the target website isn't impacted until the migration is confirmed to be complete. It's also good to know that all database tables and files on the original source website remain the same. This migration process doesn't delete anything from that website, so you've got everything in its original version and location should you need it. Now we've sped things up here for this video, but be mindful that websites come in all shapes and sizes, and this will impact the time it takes for the migration to run. With our migration complete, we get a success message. The next step is to go and review the website on WP Engine, check that everything looks and works as expected, and then make any DNS changes. And with that, this website is now on WP Engine. If you get stuck or have any questions, remember that our support team is always here and ready to help.